How to deploy Flux application in Heroku. Hi, my name is Subhra Mondal, and in this video, I'm going to show how to deploy Python application in Heroku. This video is the continuation of dictionary web app making. There are two ways to deploy Python application in Heroku. The first one is using Heroku CLI, and the second one is using GitHub. Right. So we will be deploy our Python application using GitHub. So you must have a GitHub account and you must have Heroku account, and also the Heroku must be connected with your GitHub. Right. So these are the dependencies you need to follow the steps. Before we start, let's discuss two topics that so you need to import this particular XML, that LXML, because you are not working in your local repository. You are working sorry, in your local server. You are working on the deployment server, right? So you need to install this on your deployment server, and you need to import this, and as well as you need to install it, right? So you can install it from settings, and from there this Python interpreter, and you can just click on the plus sign, and here you can type this XML. Yeah, so here it is. So by clicking this install package, you can install this in your system, right? And one more thing, as if you are watching this the previous video, then you will know that yes, we are using the get operation. So we are not mentioning it here because by default each and every methods are get method. So if you are willing to use post method, then you need to mention inside method that it's a post, and you need to check the request whether it is a post or get, right? So these are the two topics that I was forget to explain in the last video. So I have already explained. Now let's jump into the deployment part. So you need to just follow some of the steps. So these are the steps that you need to create one proc file, and you need to create a requirements.txt file in your project repository. So here you need to create one particular file, that is proc file, and this file doesn't have has any extension, right? So inside this, what you need to write, one particular command, that is web, and then you need to write g unicorn, and again you need to write, sorry, gunicorn main, and then you need to write this app, right? So this app is nothing but your this app this app, right? So this is inside the proc file, and you need to generate the requirement.txt file, and you need to install this gunicorn. So you can install gunicorn from here. You can again go to settings, and you can type here gunicorn. Yes, here it is. So you can install this particular package from uh, PyCharm, right? So yeah, now you need to generate requirement.txt file. For that, yeah, sorry, not console, I need to go to the terminal. So this is my project terminal, and here I need to write this command pip freeze, uh, pip freeze, and thereafter this getter, and this require, okay, so be aware of this spelling mistakes, uh, requirement.txt. So this is the command to generate your requirements.txt file. So yeah, now if I just go to my repository, my code location, so here is my requirement.txt. So these are the file you need to install in the server. But yes, as I worked in different projects, so there are certain things that I don't need to install in my server, right? So I will just remove some of them. So let me first remove those. Okay, so now we are at the point of deploy. So what I need to do is I need to just go to my Heroku, and here I will create another branch, that is API deploy. Okay, API deploy, and yeah, API deploy, and Okay, so I've created API deploy, and here what I need to do, I need to upload the files. And yeah, let me command that API created. Okay, so yeah, it's taking a bit time. Okay, so yeah, so my file is uploaded. Now what I need to do, I need to just go to my Heroku account, and I need to create a new app, and I need to give a app name, and this should be unique. So I will write Educon API. Is this available? No. So I need to write Educon REST. Is this available? Okay, so just keep it simple. REST API Edu. Yeah, it's available. So REST API, let's say Educon. Right. So this is our app name. So I will just create this app. Now I need to click on the GitHub, and yeah, from here you have to, if you are doing this for the first time, you need to just click on here and you need to give the authentication of GitHub to Heroku, right? So for my case, it's already given. So I will write just D. I will search. Yes, here it is. I will connect, and yeah, I will select this API deploy branch and I will deploy it, right? So these are the files which are mentioned in the requirement.txt file is getting installed in my server, right? In my Heroku server. So yeah, it will take some time to install. Okay, so and I will write API slash happy. That was the example we are taking. So yeah. Okay, so this is the response coming back to our application. That this is the word, this is the meaning, the 4024, that is five meanings are there, there's five synonyms, and the 10 sentences. So you can write over here, let's say, what do we write? Let's say coding. We'll write if you coding. So this is the alternative, the response. This is a response coming from the server. So now what we will do, we will just go to the Postman, and inside Postman we will test our API. So we will just create new, and let's say create an API. Let's say create a request. So yeah, I need to paste this. No, just let me go here and copy this. So yeah, okay. So let's say if I send this, here it is, right? So in JSON format, you can see this. This is the word, right? So I can just test it writing. Let's say exam. If I now go and test it, yes, here it is. So yeah, our REST API is working fine after deployment. So that's all for the video, guys.